Hey, it's Allison here once again, unboxing a Paul's Market CSA share. For those of you who may not have seen it last time, we have a standard share here at the office. And so once I do this unboxing here, we get to divvy it out amongst ourselves. And so I thought I'd quick show you what all we got this week. So this week was a Von Hansen's meat week, and we got, I think, a pound of ground beef, which was kind of cool. And I picked up right at Von Hansen's, so I know that was ready and fresh. Looking inside the box today. Ooh, it's looking really good. So let's see. This on top looks like red kale, and if you're a CSA member, you get an email every week, usually on Tuesdays, that tells you what to expect in your box. So here's a nice big bunch of red kale. Looks beautiful. And then, ooh, got some more tomatoes here. Cherry tomatoes, looking good. I had those last week too. They were wonderful. We ate them the same night. Ooh, it looks like we got a little tomato here, perfectly ripe. Ooh, I kind of just want to eat that now. Looks really nice. Then we go on to green beans. I know those were just starting to be picked this week, so looks like a nice bag here. Someone's dinner. We got some more rhubarb, which is exciting. These look really nice. Make a nice pie or cake there. Oh, we got a bunch of cucumbers. This is nice because everyone will get one. So put those off to the side, and they're nice and cold and fresh, even though they've been at Von Hansen's and out front. Oop. I'm dropping produce on my floor here. I guess that one's mine. Of course, you can't see it. And then another cucumber. And then let's see what else we have in here. It looks like nice head of broccoli. They said in the email that the broccoli was looking really nice, and this really is. It's a good head. It looks like something you'd buy at the grocery store. And then let's see, we also have, it looks like this is a little bit of lettuce, another plant. So this one kind of lasts you a while. You can cut off the top and then keep going. Plant it in your garden or just water it in your kitchen. And then pak choi. And it looks pretty nice. Make a nice, might be nice in a stir fry. And I think they actually gave us a recipe to use that one for. So that is today's box. There's a lot of really nice looking stuff in here. Really excited to divvy this up and see who gets what. And we'll be back again next week.